Umajumuriri nandene chinga gicha bene kukwariania semesa ya mangana mayekro charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabarmarwa aritko ni diala misi chitarikini sato motinyo watano na gatatu mwaka jibe nhemeron kebere neisato ekron semere durani wende gutwara ritko liago ligia andonsi asoberede nande krondo jina ligendrede we kumba ngo kwariania senjera ya bene obene nchi nduma yana liagendrede watka imenesku ya Gusii ayobali kibeto baendrede gutwariganilia kogera kekora gense yemo yabarmaro nuchko nyora senjera yobikran kolende njini ko yaretera asenjera yoko yachuta asebingesibiri babere bagototomera goika aboni na mangana de korekana ime na isiko ya Gusii ekera barayi bagendete go segetwa go chama na go kolemero beli go semeremo amo erigo sira ense ya Kenya murayi bwense tukarani galenkase county ya Machakos sekera ikororo asukwigora go sokwa echata university ya Open University of Kenya ekera ya obokorali bwaye boronge asinjira ya bene ayungati yari ntakorakana imeneski usuko kubulyo benenje go ikomelyo karto kubwatera na chosho utakurwa sensemo yomonu we manyirelyo abigari nyanja mene kibuna go cheira asinjira yelyo gyamo nechibicha asinjira engiya kabisa yoko yaleta go chasole ninje Brighton Makori Asoko ya jakabono tetunya chake kurwasi county ya Kisii asebono asinjire ya moyo wikiranichira chiri aliere tabamenyi be county ya Kisii omugabana we county ya Kisii Bauro Simbarati nigobona chakiro moroberio bokwena chitangi ijia mache go cha siskuru au asinjira yugo kinye birengo byobochenu na kwenda kwena abana mbali kwenda asatambe asogo chikonyora amachayu chitangi chikwena no siskuru au anene chikura wanabe MCA bechiwode au nigobago kerege tambo kerekyo echiweta sechibicha setibiao nechibicha unachitangi echigendete kwena nwa asijiskuru au roboti oru no chikoronyora senjera yobukiranu anekerongende ukubatilia roboti oruo Urwa ubanotigango irego ikaze bunge ya North Mugirange yego toka se county ya Nyamira ase wodi ya Itibo ase bono gosie kwa AIC ekerubogie tai ine nyagitari eyema sensemeyo ni gobono ya ireira babwatani ao bensemeyo weso kinagoteba igoro yogosie kwa kwenyagitari eyo eyirere obokorari bobochenu koira na inse asenseme konende ni gobono baboliria babwatani be mangana afya ase county Nyamira kurigeri engane eyo ekera abande berure ekwene kibuna ngokonya bari nyagitari eyo enyarige kuigorwa iriagendere no bokorari asensemeyo ya Itibo ebunge ya North Mugirango
Earthy Chairman. We are on a receipt of a closure notice which was issued on 14th September 2020. Up to date, the hospital is operating illegally. One of the recommendations is about the poor toilets that we have, the poor structure of the hospital first. Number two, we don't have the burning chamber.
So ndio wanalani hii dispensary ndio maana county haichaingilia sana lakini wanapatiwa madawa na county ya Nyamira. Daktari ni wao, sasa ndio tunataka daktari wa county aletwe hapa wakati hii dispensary imefungwa akuwe anatibu watu hapa ili waendelee kupata services za hili facility.
Karobono tokurwa sebunge ya North Mugirango nigo tokwirana go ikase bunge ya Nyaribali cha sensemo ya birongo asabamenyi benseme yobabo kano moichana semambi yeritko lelero anenekere mebere yabantu babere yatoka asensemeyo yabwate chinkoma chintindi kukwana nabanyakinyoro bensemeyo nigo baichanire nganeyo aseboigo barurege kurogochi asonde bwenzi ande akora abo mosali ase ensemeyo gukwana na Amos Ombasa oyu ore ukwana noyo mukuru wa sensemeyo nyaraka ukwana igoro yemebere eyu yatoka sensemeyo korende kore kyo nigo kenekiwa no mo sub count police commander asensemo ya Kisii Central Amos Ambassa oyu okwanira enganeyo.
Inchengoro kwa Evans Mix Ombati, chairman ya community policing, sero Kisii ya Birongo. Obo ichano na kumirie, in fact ibona araire kwa kirisi imi, nga abantu mari bagentire sekenyoro kiane. Amaene na akire, aikire gahe bate, anyore nekene, abana babiri baitire. Abana baitire ncherembe. Wono, nchetimanye dinga inkinda ateri abantu. Kiagera twabawonyire boira abana babakega kimogokina irense ngora kalibike kamoranje abana baitu abana bakesana twasebe mambya bacha kotokonya no kumya konene ondi bwensi obwatokoboko kubigaki enjera abana abanyine njere nchabu nagechiwe inabango buno mwanone abantu bane balingo gambira gaki unere sabro kese die ya nyansira iga Birongo bumwagi gaki mwari wancha abana baitu moire magoro make
Oroboti urubono ni gorogo chukwarga ni wana misi chospat ke koragense ya mayabana oroba ochikonyora mange korwa sense meyu ya Birongo kerto skabosyo e amate yomugaka James Nyabuto ni gobono bache bakora ogochenga litkurero magega yobokongu wabeire asenkeyo amatuka mange anenekero bakwana abatabuna mugako ibono ikire myake 50 nomo asensemeyo ya Irianyi bogeka ase ebunge ya Kitutu Judge South nigo abange bairabuna mugako yo nigo aiteira mange asoboge mabwaye igasogo ike myake yo negesie kanene asebono bagendera kumusabira maya nyasagendere komokonya
Litukuria rero nalio nakurire emyaka 50 nomo na ibure tuchitariki 8 mwaka 63 umwakira Nyasaye buya nerio agenderere kondenda
mwana oyone atusandite nonyenka keralingo moke twalinge nomugako twali kogenda paka sunikanere uko buguri korosa nero mabuguri
iwonde nomogoko manene mono akorire ekegeni kiaye na arwarite amatuko gete magega.
Alizaliwa na vile alikuwa anateseka tangu kuzaliwa mpaka siku ya leo. Nasema ni asante sana kwa kutualika, tumekuja hapa na ametuambia. Baada ya hiyo tunashukuru Mungu aendelee kumuongeza miaka na miaka mpaka sisi tufike miaka hiyo.
Ende bora mwisinge ya Nyasaye muna mutugete na ndaka muai bisyo byuko munyoro kirengaki ikiagera tuacha gaiga tuacha somo yo mbiya mono sana Nyasaye kubwatisi na ndaka komenta matuko
Mange bono kurwase amate yoni kunyanyora kurwase diboni asanya Karanete gutwarira ni roboti urwa senjera yobokerana kurwa bwase bunge ya Kitutu South ni gotokwenda wikase bunge ya Nyaribari masaba ase wodi ya Ichuni asebona bamenyi benseme ibago keirege tambogero kyomwe musiebwe wodi yo wikiri busyo jasa jakyo moroberio obwoko ene kibona bamenyi abukonyora bare oboringori bwa maiso asenseme yoko kubwaterana anenya gitari yo asisi ya ikyobo ya ikyamangana yobokorari bwaye asenseme ikao kwana no mwe msibe wodi yo wikiri busyoja unyarika watabunde kina kiga tambokero airire kwene kibona bamenyi be wodi ya Ichuni konyora baro bobweni boigone 20 begete ase wodi eyo
na ritkoria rero ntwagwate exercise kiange kia sana exercise kiarenge takoranga bantu bitongonyora bare screening ya maiso amona bare bagwate issues chia mauga na ritkoria rero kwetana na asebinyoro bitu twanyora abantu barabange chimibere abo baicha bakora screening ngega barigerirwa na sabanda abo baicha barigerirwa gaiga abantu bagwata issues chia maiso igo barenga about 76 na abantu abegekere barigerirwa mbar batukana bagwata issues mbar bagwata issues chia cataract bagwata issues chia press myopia nge abantu 45 tobata abantu bande bagwata issues chia amauga that is orthopedic barenke abantu banyorekana bagwata issues barenga about 43 bari banyoru babwate issues chire corrective mba konyo bate guri babwante gukora bari bate gubana no ichinyange as measures chuko bakonya issues babwate na moga na magorabo. And then abange babo barengechi age set ya ange 62 to 82 years watu ka babwate issues ya 43 babwate issues ya orthopedic. And then over the 43 again, babwate issues which can only be addressed through amangana yogotewa yokumana seke Gusii. That is, I think, surgical. So those are the possible cases na kendo na noti asaba 15 because na renge kini komanya about abantu babwate the card chiene chaibo sen insurance chiraba konya they were about 7 igo tubwata ngabantu 8 babwena takonyora attention ya medical attention ya koreru ukomano lakini batabwati even on each card.
Oroboti urubona roro minurire mumanyi nwara sense meyende tukutwarga ni oroboti uruch koronyora ikoragense ya masenchira yobukano kurwabone tokwanda wikasi county ya Machakos asebono Open University of Kenya nyarige konyore chata na gochako bokorori bwaye bene asomo yuguyukaranwa numurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto oyi osira chisemi oyote abuna oyinoro murobire oyomo bosira chisemi asense ya Kenya boigo murayi bwense niga mochora omuteneneri monene bwebengi ya Equity James Mwangi gochikoba chancellor ye university kurene turanyora nga Professor Mike Kuri oyi ole secretary asikiombigeria Commission for University Education ena kiagokera agote abune university konyoye ikire birengo byaye byokwegwa echate iyo.
On behalf of the Commission for University Education, and in accordance with the Universities Act number 42 of 2012, I wish to confirm that the Government of Kenya wishes to establish an institution in the name of Open University of Kenya, situated in Konza Technopolis, Machakos County, in the Republic of Kenya. The said university, yes you may, the said University of Kenya has applied to the Commission for University Education for the grant of a charter to provide for the establishment, control, governance, and administration of the university, and for the connected purposes in the manner prescribed by the Universities Act number 42.
Gati yabarai bariba kwana asomo yubo kwe charter we university ya Open University of Kenya ngamo nomo deputy governor we county ya Machakos ibona te abuna nechinga gicho koremeremo asenera ire abuna wikabacho koremeremo na serikali anene kumosiro murai bwense wikarania ndoto yogosira magendero asense ya Kenya.
Zambia has talked about no stones today. I assure you there is none that is going to be. Let's have a different alternative national ways of discussing and resolving our issues internally. Because, Mr. President, the 700 million Honorable Murkomen is going to use to repair expressway could put up almost level 5 hospital within this facility. My governor has told me to tell you, our government is going to work with your government so that these people can gain from your administration and development can be realized. Thank you, Mr. President, for even accepting.
Oigo mugavana we county ya Makweni mtula Kironso na nigateruna wikabachi kubatera ne serikali nene buna yarenge nenjere yamo yogo kinye birengo bya magendero ase county ya Makweni wikacho korabo ende abamenyi benseme ikonyora magendero au.
Mr. President, we want to promise our support. And that support comes by virtue of the fact that we took oath to work for the people of Kenya. In my case, the people of Makweni. I didn't leave the Senate to become a sitting duck in Makweni. I left the Senate to ensure that the people of Makweni can enjoy the fruits of devolution. If that means that we have to sit with you so that the people of Makueni benefit, that will happen without any apologies. The buffer zone that surrounds the city is being planned. We will ask the ministry to help us. The chair of that buffer zone.
Boy gomo wasiri wejisemese kirma chuguna nyaraka wikirana muroberio yo aseboigo atogi bali banyara ba wikirani birengo byonsi kwena kibuna Open Kenya University konyorere echata agochakobo korori bwaye bene boigo nigateruna nenchire ya moyo kwena kuna Gusii bari chisemi asense ya Kenya no bokorori bwaye as university
I express our very sincere gratitude for your unwavering support. Your Excellency, I could also like to take this opportunity once more to thank the technical committee, indeed under the chairmanship of Professor Esra Maritim, a wonderful worker, very energetic, very resourceful, plus the 51 professors and the other 25 experts in ICT that we were able to get their support for the very excellent work done over the period. Since January of this year, Your Excellency, the team has worked for long hours to actualize the vision of the Open University. They have conducted extensive research and traveled well thought out documents to support the formation and operationalization of the university. I commend them for their sacrifice and dedication. Your Excellency, the establishment of this university opens a new chapter in access to higher education opportunities. By leveraging on technology, this university will promote access to higher education for
Murai buense Dr. William Ruto ibono ikirana asomo yego yubo kwena na chata gojaze Open Kenya University Open Kenya University ni gobono nerate abuna bara imbata kirego chamba kro bakora magendero oigasate abuna bono erdari go chikogendera go kabesa na Kenya gutwara deni ndirionsi eyerera ba Kenya ochandika.
So I want us to mobilize ourselves, focus our energy. Good people, we have a great country. Let us not let ourselves down by doing the wrong things. Let us mobilize every energy, every resource, every talent, every knowledge to drive our country's prosperity. And we can do it working together. So nawauliza tafadhali tuungane, tuko na mpango mzuri. Hawa ndugu zangu wa counties niliwaambia hatutaenda barabara ya madeni. We cannot be a country that is borrowing left, right, center, up, down, front, back. No. Because we run the real risk of going downhill. And I am very proud that the people of Kenya
Ayubono na kwarindia se jinse Ikomi kwenda mange no jwanyora gikuragense ya moya bana maroba karondo Jeffrey osera endede kwariganeria na bariki baito baendede ko yabekamo erinda jikuya sansamurana gikuragense ya mo ya bana marono kubona gendera gutubwatia asemero birito ya kreditko inyorantora sensemo ye mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital wega sensemo ya YouTube na boto tonyora Ndizi TV News onya chingaki na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wega karengeli kyao na tukere ndikirenza kireta gwetera senamba era seskini igoro wega kora ngo totare na boto tare wika samaga chaito a new Brighton apartment igotoka sensemo ya embassy ngo bakerambia mano mwensi bali mwirali bagalendo lya bana kuliria mangana ya gwetera getaseni kyao enambe ya mo Ndizi TV na robwansu bomo Gusii Auta twabatanira kurwa sense meri yo munu bemanyerero abigari nyanja mwene kibinago chire asenjera yerio yamo nechibicha na nchina yarada gocha sole Brighton Makori.